Abusha za watching ya mwa ya mwa jo ebio de badje Ghana television so wo dia ne se modern first time ne do ehye modia ne bomodin se wo be subscribe ya amaye wo YouTube no afi wo follow Facebook Instagram Twitter bia na Ghana television what ya se abusua the flight ne ase amaye musu bi wa ensem atwego obi asafo ne nyina ne timba e de aba besom nti wo dia ne se modin se wo be subscribe e de amaye e ma refi se me dia me so me de mosomfo nana K Jesse Abrante the flight bi ma di eso nti wo dia se modin na ye fast akese ka me ho en fast akese en fama ya bo for brain dom tin boy chidom eye Glitz and Glow Cosmetics sanso na general organic foods and Kinaata herbal center woda se abusua didiye na sire nku papa se bi honam duade en tete ntoma na wakwa akwasere wate ase enti ba wode ma honam duade nkasa ko na kokopie ma wo Kinaata 34 akachi no mutimi amowo ombihwe apom di mu nyina na NCP NCT na bia ntimi nkoso kama abusua mena ne ehusima wate ase na afi ye ba ye busa se ye nuanom ye busuafo mo Mepe eye koso mo spillage kokofo ansem bebre de ba ye enipa dodo se na akọ no se omukọ akọ ma ye nempo celebrate by Ghana ni hwan e na yi nanim a wo se afede wo mo no mo akọ no anuane aba ofisi se bi ekoma ya man na ehusima ye basisi ya
me wo London baby a me wo ye Walthamstow wo hie nkun yi bi se wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside London baby wo contact me mami wusu anase Helena baby a wo bia so far as wo betua wo postage ye be postu e dia brew se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye ho ne ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enku a no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroquine no asay kala no na se wunya Glitz and Glow na wo start beginning no ube hu se repair wo kala no ube ye kama ube ye kama se de mi gina hoy small girl he enku no baby nya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi wo na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwi wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me kan landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie me de fie 24 hours enti anytime bia wo pesa wo frame me numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma Glitz and Glow na ye wi ani aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere edien esese kwa de wache powder ye wo prekese powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba London so a contact mami wusu ya Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye Glitz and Glow
ayefo samu akwa babie da se paso tumi jibre mentimi kokoda ne ho kakra de ebaye na busuan ye busa wo ye nyadi ho adanse se ye busuafo ye mameno ye papa no ye wofa ase no ye nananom ye nka nchema no mo wo ye voter road ye from Montem Mepe koso mo spillage akwa fan se bibira ba se bi adehia na se kromafo mpo enya babia mfo muti ento no adehia rodo na mpanifo rodo na kukudam ne ntie foforo bibiri ena kokopie mo no mo ye o madoye na ye da sore ya kasi obi besiye nana ama Mcbrown wase sebi oyonko da no da watanse adwene ho bebre hu se sebi o abusua wei ye no do ye ho wo nheda ato oyonko no kiane ke betima to tiana ma kirema wase ne product wo no mo ye adwuma nyina from high sense from crane to kran Mcbrown kitchen for nyinara ye nyina ye bom na afiakwa kopie mu e wo ye Mepe se ne be ya yadeshi omo ho no mo so mo ho aka no ye betimi no matrasi aton se didie betimi atrasi na afia do ye sefata high sense product ahodo nyina ene foforo bi e ka ho bia no yetimi ene wo mo ato kase yetimi e de ama wo mo ote ase na afo mo so enya ahoto yem ofisi se bi yesi awerechikire wo yi efiri wo nipa ho na na Mcbrown yenko ne nkonkuti ensem a wo de etudwa ene dapoti a wo mo be fi enkrampompenim antemu a akopie Mepe akoye yenuanom yi adoye.
So it is our prayer and it is our duty that we help our families in the Volta region. It is our duty, it's every Ghanaian's duty to help one way or the other. As a personality, I am going there Friday with Mcbrown's kitchen.
Okay.
We are going to cook with the people because people have missed cooking in their settings, and we have to do what we can to bring them together. We are going. I've been told it's about 21 camps.
Okay.
Yes, so we are doing our best. We are starting with the small ones, and gradually, I have a 2-week plan. 2 weeks plan to be going to the Volta region with all the brands I work with. So we are going there with Amalina Children's Haven and Mcbrown's Kitchen on Friday.
Do some donations
of course, people have lost their clothes and all that, the kids especially. Okay. So we are going there on Friday, and then again they would have to come here and bring more to MJ's coffers as well. Again, all the people I work with, Holy Insecticide, High Sense, we are doing something there. Something is coming up. And like I said, the initial part is where we can give them food, mattresses, mosquito spray, nets, and all that. However, after all said and done and all this is gone, that is where the hard time begins. So that's where we are looking at.
For them as well.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Abusia waditua that was from Nana Ama Mcbrown. Abusia wonso senya wonso betimi bia no ye mbobo ye ho afise se bi wo yonko da no da what you say ye see you ya dowo ene ko wahina mu. Abusia ye dasra kase ne ban ya bofo bena bidom timi boy chido my glit and glue cosmetics and store and general organ foods and Kinaata Tribal Center numbers in edi ahim no bomode ne frɛ na afio mo entimi emmoa wo didi ye srenku papa na kokopio makacha pom din de se bi ye ba be dibronya enche akokɔ hips no ye ba ba hwibi what you say se wapom din CPC tane se honam duan so nkasa e de na kame akosa sa agro no ye yiwa firi mu so sa aka me ba ko komodin didi ye srenku papa na honam duan nkasa na bibia ntimi koso kama me din yam je so me so mfo nana K Jasi Abrante asra kase bi nkofo me producer on duty Edmond Opoku Sechi for Kingberg me so be mu de nsemi ba so mo no me din ebio me de nana K Jasi Abrante. Have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Subscribe, follow, comment and share. Every time no ya no be there share mo Macbrown.
Oh, Doc. Yes, I want Doc. I want to know your day. No, that's why she after said you are not yama. No, say the yamu kukru. So your stomach was up. Said the young heartburn. So I be count. And then cry. The meaning said if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac. Ena tinatet malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything I take to Mac. I'm on my free.
Kinaata Malake, eyema obi a wanya malaria fever. Na Kinaata stomach mixture, eyema obi a wanya heartburn, indigestion, ena ne yem eye ne ya. Kinaata tedroi, FDA ahwehwe magye atum se eye.